Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Oh my goodness, it is such a beautiful day here in Zone 7B. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Recently, I did a video on things that you can grow indoors without grow lights. Well, this is part 2. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it at the end of this one. So make sure you watch until the end because today I'm adding to the list.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay, we are back, and before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and your continued loyal support. For all my channel members, thank you guys for your continued loyal support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, no matter what. However, if you are not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Come on board, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Connect to me over on Facebook. My Facebook group is Container Crops, and it's for you, not for me. I want to see your posts. I want to see your videos. What do you guys have growing on in your garden? Have a question? That's the place you want to put it. Okay, I can always be found on IG, Scaredy Cat Gardener. Okay, I think that's going to take care of our yard work today. So without further ado, let's get into the rest of the things that you can grow indoors without grow lights year round. Okay, so first on my list today is hot peppers. Hot peppers, not sweet peppers. And any sunny spot will do. Now, if you have a south-facing window, that's perfect, or a west-facing window. But if, you just have a nice area where sun comes in your home or anywhere indoors for a good period of time during the day, that's the spot you want to grow some hot peppers. Now, because you're growing them inside, I would once in a while they are in bloom, while they're blooming, just give them a little shake. Because what that will do will mimic the wind outdoors to ensure pollination. Now, they are self-pollinating, but that will help them along. Now, on part 2's number 2 is potatoes. Yes, you can grow potatoes indoors and they don't need a grow light. Now, you might have to have a little bit more space for the vines to grow, but regular potatoes, not sweet potatoes, because sweet potatoes do vine quite a bit more, but potatoes can vine quite a bit too. However, if you choose seed potatoes with a lot of eyes, because potatoes usually produce a lot, you'll want a pot that is at least 2.5 gallons in size, giving them some room, because with one seed potato, you're gonna get a lot. Number 3 on my list, mushrooms. A lot of us love our mushrooms in a lot of dish. How cool would it be to grow them indoors year round? They're a great source with vitamin D, for vitamin D, I should say. And actually, they will grow very well indoors because they actually need to be grown in a cool, dark place. You don't need any light. So you don't even have to worry about a south-facing window or any window that gets a lot of sunlight. If you have a basement with a cool, dark basement, that's a perfect place. But a closet will do. Pantry, your kitchen cabinets, as long as it's not like right at your oven or something like that, it's a cooler area in your kitchen. Yes, you can grow mushrooms right there. Now this is my favorite, my absolute favorite, white asparagus. Yes, white asparagus, not green, but white asparagus. In general, asparagus in general takes several years before it's ready to be harvested. But once it's going, it keeps on giving. Now, did you even know that all asparagus is white originally? it actually turns green when it reaches for the sunlight. So, without the sunlight, you're going to produce or grow lights. Without grow lights and without sunlight, what you're going to be doing is producing white asparagus. So no to little light means that it stops going towards the green and it stays white. It is the perfect veggie to grow indoors. And some people actually growing it outdoors will put little cylinders over the asparagus, just sit something over the asparagus so that the bottom half won't turn green and the white and the tips will be green so that you'll have a white bottom and a green top. If you've ever seen that in a restaurant or on a shelf in the store, that's how it happens. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much once again for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. The thumbs up helps the video. It helps get it out to more people because who doesn't need to know what they can grow indoors with no grow lights? You never know when you have to. So it's good to learn and practice and find out what you can grow before you may need to. So give the video a thumbs up and share it out. Share it out to everyone you know because someone needs this information and sharing is caring. Okay, I'm going to get out of here, let you guys go. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.